So this is going to be the first lock attempted. Went to Walmart and this cost $3.47. 1,300 pounds cut resistance of this hardened steel. It's the brass body. Standard security. And here's all the information. It takes 900 pound private distance, 1,300 pounds to cut this hardened steel. 4-pin pick resistant. Okay, so that looks like it's a lock for somebody to put on their backpack or something. Let's open it. Might actually be harder to get into it. Now, I should remind you, if you haven't watched the first video, this is just an amateur guide that I found a pick kit on Amazon, the learning kit, and I just wanted to play around with padlocks and see how they work. This is what the training kit came with something you could see inside and how the pins and the tumblers work. So this is my first attempt with this lock, brass lock. Okay, this is what the keys look like. First, I'm just going to take and do like I did the other one, and just all I did was just stick the bar in there, and it just came out. It was kind of not what I thought it would be. Alright, so trying to find the pins. This seems kind of, I don't know, a little bit wobbly today. That's interesting. How that one doesn't get set. And I just picked my first lock. I'll have to look at the timestamps and see how long that took. So now you notice it says pick resistance. That's wild. Okay, we got the keys off. Practice makes perfect, right? So I get to play with this and see. I And I learned that you pick, and you go back and you feel which one's not working right. Sometimes you have to list this off. You do have to listen for that audible click that's in there. Now, one thing you don't know about me is I do wear hearing aids, and so I can barely hear that click. So it's kind of a beginner's luck, I think, still. You just have to kind of, you're blindly looking at this. That's just still stupid simple, that how easy. Oh my God. Wow. There you have it. This is the first lock that I picked, the Brinks padlock. Solid brass body. Just well, I will continue. This is gonna be a fun little hobby to get into. Hopefully I don't have a lot of locks that I will be collecting. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Subscribe if you will. This is going to be a new little thing that I'm going to be getting into. Thanks for watching.